Hello there. Today we are going to take a look at the 5 best DSLR camera 2021 in the market for this year. First we are going to show you our 5 best picks, then we'll talk about what you should look for before buying a best DSLR camera 2021. We'll put the links to all the products we mentioned in this video down in the description below. Let's get started. Number 5. Nikon D7500. If you find yourself lusting after a D500, but don't quite have the funds available, consider instead the D7500. It shares many of the same specifications as its older brother, including the same sensor and processor combination but with a few compromises to help keep the price lower. A chunky and nicely textured body makes the D7500 a nice camera to hold and use, with some modern touches like a fully articulating touchscreen to satisfy those used to smartphones and the like. The trade-off for the lower price includes an autofocusing system that's not quite on par with the D500, but still very good. You also don't get the opportunity to shoot quite as fast, with 8 FPS available, but it's still very usable for those who don't shoot action every day. Number 4. Nikon D500, one of the best APS-C DSLRs which is currently available on the market. This is an ideal all-rounder for those who shoot a little bit of everything. It's aimed primarily at advanced hobbyists, but it's easily good enough to be used by professionals, especially as a second camera. It's best if you can buy the camera with the 16-80mm kit lens, which is so much more than just your average kit optic, offering a wide f2.8 to 4 maximum aperture range and producing high-quality images. Number 3. Canon EOS 90D. One of the newest DSLRs in this list, the 90D is a mid-range model which packs a lot of power for its price range and position in the market. If you're still very much interested in DSLR photography, if for example you already own an entry-level Canon model, this is the obvious step-up choice for you. It's also not a bad option for those looking to move up from some entry-level mirrorless cameras, too. DSLRs still have mirrorless rivals beat when it comes to battery life, and the 90D gives you a whopping 1,300 shots per charge, making it ideal for situations where you can't stop to charge. There's also a host of other appealing features here, such as a super high-resolution 32.5 megapixel sensor, and cropped 4K video recording and an optical viewfinder which offers a 100% view of the scene. Number 2. Nikon D850. In camera terms, the D850 might be getting on a bit, but it features a host of fantastic specs, available at a better price than ever. It's a superb all-rounder which is well suited to professionals and advanced enthusiasts who want to photograph lots of different types of subject. Advanced enthusiasts will also get a kick out of how well it handles a variety of different subjects. With a high-resolution 45.4 megapixel sensor, 4K video capture, or 3.2-inch tilting touchscreen, a 153.99 cross-type AF system that pretty much just nails it every time, and a sturdy body, you're unlikely to be disappointed with what the D850 can deliver. Number 1. The Nikon D780 is, in many ways, a Nikon Z6, mirrorless, camera inside a traditional DSLR body. It's clearly been designed for those who crave the traditional handling and feel of a DSLR camera, rather than flipping to mirrorless. If you've got a whole cabinet full of DSLR lenses too, you're also more likely to crave a DSLR for your next model, too. Here, we've got something very impressive. It uses the same sensor and processor as the Z6, but thanks to the larger body, we've got room for dual memory card slots and a lot more direct control dials and buttons. There's also nifty features like 4K video recording, charging via USB and 12 FPS shooting. The D780 is a touch more expensive than its mirrorless counterparts, both the Z6 and the Z6 Mark II. However, if you've already got a bag full of lenses, then you'll be saving cash that way instead.